welcome back to my channel. I am back with a beauty tutorial. As you guys can see, my hair is straight. This is actually day 7, day 8 hair. I blow dried. I went to the hairdresser slash the lady who do hair here where I live. I went to her on Thursday and my hair looks like this. I didn't use any heat on my hair, guys. I didn't use a flat iron. I didn't use anything. Today's tutorial is all about how to curl your hair with a flat iron. So if you are keen to see how I achieved from this, how I go from this to that, then stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you like videos like these. So let's go ahead. So guys, and thumbs up if you like this makeup look, guys. So it's very important for me. As you guys can see, my hair is a little bit dirty, but for me it is the best way to do your hair, to curl your hair with the flat iron if your hair is a little bit not extremely dirty but not fresh, if you know what I mean. So what I would like to do, I would prep my hair, which I would just make sure there's no knots. For me, it's really important for your hair to be as straight as it can be, and then go in with your flat iron. I want to say curling iron, but I mean flat iron. The second thing that is really important is you want to use a flat iron that's little, it's like not so wide. So I am using the Babyliss. This is quite an old one. So this is the Babyliss flat iron. You can see it is a bit old, but you can see it's really a thin straightener. So the first thing that I want to do, my iron, my flat iron, it is on. And the heat that I'm using is the highest heat. So you want to make sure that the heat is best for your hair. I do use the high heat, the highest temperature that the flat iron have. I use that. And what you want to do, you want to go in with a heat protection. At the moment I do not have a heat protection, but I have a oil on my hair. So what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm gonna part my hair at the back. I'm starting at the back of my head. And you'll need something to hold the hair that you are not busy with. I don't go in with very like small sections. I do go in. I'm going to show you at the back. I hope you guys can see. So this is the sections that I'm using. So it's better to section your hair than to go in all at once, because it's just gonna be easier and your curls is obviously gonna look very nice. And for me, I like the more loose curls. I don't like the extreme tight curls, but you're going to see what I'm doing. So I'll just split this section in the middle like so, and then I can see this is the part, this is what I have. So I take the bottom piece, so I split these two in two. I want to also to make sure what type of curls do you want. So I want loose curls. I'm only going to show you my method of loose curls, which is like more natural. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start at my scalp like so, and then you obviously want to make sure there's no knots in between. And then I take it like so, like you can see I do a turn, done, done, and so. And there you go. There you go. So I'm gonna show you one time. As you can see, like it's more at the end because if you wanna do it more close to your root, you can do that. I'll show you quickly. So this is the other part. And for me personally, I don't really care what way the curl goes. I just make sure that the front part of my hair, the curls is to the back. So what I'm going to do, I'll take my flat iron close to my root. Just make sure that you don't burn yourself. And then what I'm doing is turn and turn and turn and turn. And then, as you can see, this is more close to the root, and this one is more like near to the end of there. So, oh, the wanna bluff, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna show you this to this. Now I just split my hair in another section and tie this so that it's out of the way. And my section is definitely not perfect, guys. So now I just split the two pieces in two sections. And now I'm going to show you how I do it, the curl to the back. So now you just take it like so, and so. That I have. You can go in and fix your ends if you want to, but for me, I'm gonna make it. You will see at the end what I'm going to do. So this is the 3 curls. As you can see, this one is the one to the back, and this is the 2 front pieces. So you can't really see the difference between to the front and to the back, so that's why I don't really care how I curl the hair. So I'll show you one more time, and then I'll just speed up the process to also very important is that the faster you go through the hair, the looser the curl. So the slower you go through the hair with your iron, the tighter the curl is going to be. And like I said, I'm going to curl my front pieces to the back. Like so. Pretty! Very nice. And then I am taking this like so. Twisting, twisting, twisting. And so personally for me, you can leave it like this if you want to, but for me, I like to separate the curls, so I'll just do this with oil, obviously, with oil, and just loosen the curls a bit so that it can look natural. The before and after, I'm gonna stand so I can show you. Like as you can see there, I just like to separate the curls so that it can look more natural. So let me just do the other side of my hair, and then I'll be back to show you guys the final result. Love it. Okay guys, and I'm just using this olive oil. I bought it at the Skim. It's like just normal olive oil. So just smooth everything down. Obviously you just want to again just make sure everything is nicely and separated. So what I'm doing, I'm just run my fingers through there. So, and you can see it's bouncy, it's bouncy. Okay, this is the kill. So guys, if you like this tutorial, so guys, please, if you like the video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Guys, this is the end of this tutorial. I'm gonna list the straightener down below if you are interested what straightener. If you are interested to know what specific straightener I use, I will list that for you down below. So guys, I like it. And if you are interested or even just nieuwsgierig to know how long this actually took, it took me maximum 30 minutes to do both sides of my hair. So guys, this is the end of the tutorial. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till I see you guys in my next one. Bye.